For this tutorial, we are going to use some Mixamo assets. So go on the Mixamo and download the Pro Sword and Shield pack with this Paladin character. So I already downloaded my pack and I decompressed all the file here. So now we can start to set up our agent type in an Atom scene. So let's create a new scene and let's open the UI, initialize the scene. And now let's start with the setup of the agent type. So let's take the Paladin character. It's here. Let's copy the same for the skin. This way we have the geometry as well. Let's see, register. The geometry is here. Let's set up the legs if you want the ground adaptation, also the pelvis. So let's have a look to the joint names. So the root is the hips. And let's set up the leg. So the leg should be the legs. We need to use the left up joint, left foot, and left toe base. So go to the legs. So for the leg root is the left up leg, left foot, and left toe base. The pole vector, let's put to 0, 0, 0. This way atoms compute automatically a good pole vector. And just add the legs. And now let's add the right one. So right, right, and right. Let's add this one. You can check the color here if the legs are tagged correctly. You see this one is all fine. So that's it for our agent type. So let's change the name. Let's call it just Paladin, should be fine, and register. Now let's import some animation. So let's go back to our animation clip. For this tutorial, we are going to use probably the idle, the walk, run, and then let's take a couple of clips for the combat. So probably let's try with this attack, and it should be like a block. Okay, let's drag and drop here. Let's have a look to this idle. Yeah, the idle, we can use this one. Let's change the direction because the direction of the clip is in Z-axis. So let's put Z here. Let's select our Paladin as compatible agent type. And then transition frames, we can start the transition at any frame for the idle. So let's put -1 here. And should be that's it. One, we can set up the foot down. So let's compute based on the velocity. Let's start with 0.3 and should be go down. Okay. And let's register this one. Now let's go to the walk. Okay, so let's have a look to the, let's first set up the direction. This one is in Z-axis as well. Let's set up the compatible agent type. Let's have a look to the blend. So this one is 0. Yeah, start with the right foot down. The last frame is the same one with the foot down as well. So yeah, 0.33 is fine. Let's put one frame for blend because we don't have any other frame after the 33 to blend. And let's probably decrease this one to 2. That is the number of frames used to recover for the foot lock to the actual animation clip pose. And should be that. We can compute the foot down that as well. Okay, this one sounds good. Register that as well. Let's do the run. So change the direction. Set the compatible type. Let's have a look to the loop. So start with the right, feet down, and the same as a walk. It's a perfect loop. Okay, so leave the loop like this. Let's decrease this one. So this one, and let's compute the foot down. Sounds good. Register this one as well. Let's have a look to the block and attack. So let's have a look to the attack. Yeah, no, probably we need to change this one. No, sorry, not attack. Let's take a slash. This one, yeah, this one is better. So, okay, so leave the frame range like this. Let's edit the direction, set the compatible name to Paladin, and let's compute the foot down. Yeah, probably let's remove some of the... No, it should be... No, actually it's fine. Okay. So let's register this as well. And then let's have a look at the block one. No, not the block. Let's have a look at impacts. We need the impacts. This way an agent can react to a slash clip. This one sounds perfect. So let's change direction, compatible agent type, and you can copy the foot down. Okay, and let's register. And we should be fine with the clip. We will tweak later for the simulation, but at this point this clip are fine. And let's remove the attack and block that we are not using this one. Perfect, so let's prepare the state machine. Let's go here, let's go Paladin state machine. So let's add a state. This one will be my idle. And that's the idle one. Swollen sheet idle. Let's add walk. And let's add the run. Let's add transition, so in this way the agent can change animation clip from one to another. And should be that's it. If you want, we can also add the attack and the slash and the impact here, but it's a little bit more tricky to handle here in the state machine. Also, I want to show you how use animation clip outside the state machine from the behavior tree. So let's register the state machine. Let's go to the agent type, select my new state machine, register, and let's test if the animation clip are fine. So let's create a grid layout here. Let's add the state machine. Let's change the character to my soldier, and then let's go to skin. And this one is my idol. Sounds good. Let's have a look to the work. As well. And my run. We can check also the impacts slash animation. Let's use the clip reader since it's not in the state machine. So let's look at the slash. Yeah, sounds good. And let's look at the impact one. Perfect. So the assets are ready, so we can start with the behavior tree.